How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video will be a update on the JOHAN Oldsmobile F-85 wagon and stash ad. And before we get started, like I always want to do, I always want to thank all you subscribers, all the old subscribers, all my new subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, it don't cost nothing. So please check it out. You know, this is the modeling community on YouTube. We all get together. We have group builds, buddy builds. Just build something you want to show off, whatever. If you don't have a YouTube channel and you're a subscriber and you want to try your hand in it, get on there and try. It's not gonna hurt nothing. Just all you need is an iPhone or a phone or Samsung, it don't matter, just a smartphone, GoPro, camera. It's not that hard to upload it onto YouTube. So guys, if you're one of my subscribers, I know I've had a couple of you guys that subscribe to me that I know you don't have YouTube channels, but and they're interested in doing the small scale buddy build with Mr. BG, me and Brian, and so it's not hard to do, guys. If you need any help, just email me. You know, I'll always leave my email, my contact info in description below, and we'll try to help you out. All right, with that being said, well, let's start out with, let's do stash ads first. And let's start. Let's see. The very first one I got, it's a vintage 1969 Corvette 143 scale. That's the first one. Got this at Antique. Let's see, it was a flea market, antique mall. I can't remember. They're all the same. In Fort Smith. Got that one. And I got another one. I got the 69 Cougar. And it's the 143 scale 69 Cougar. XR7, you can see on the, it's got the clear case with it. You can see right there. Sticker on these, $3-4. I'm not for sure what year that would have been, but if it's like it is on the box, 1969, $3-4. I guess they had to compete with the little mini Lindy's at the time. Okay, what else did I get? Alright, sticking with the vintage JOHAN. Y'all know I love my JOHAN. I got on eBay, and I bought this one right here. It's a 62 F-85 Oldsmobile Cutlass hardtop. This is a 62. The wagon I'm building, I think, is a 61. There's a little bit differences in the grill. The hubcaps are a hair bit different. There's a few other things that are different on them, but this one's never been built, and I will do an unboxing later on sometime on it. I know y'all love it when I do the vintage JOHAN unboxings, and this one right here I'm really excited about. I've always wanted one of these. This right here is a 1966 Ford Falcon Sport Coupe, and it's getting built just like that right there, gasser. You can build it stock or Gene Whitfield custom right there. And there's the other side of the box. You can see the custom parts and the drag racing parts and everything. It has a blower, and then it has 4 Webers sticking out the hood like this right here. Oh yeah, when I built it, now it don't have the decals anymore. Of course, I'm sure I can find some aftermarket or something to go on there, but man, I love that look right there. That look is mean. That's how that one get built. And then y'all know my buddy George. Last time I was at his house, I was looking through his case, and he had the original 64 Ford Galaxy that had the engine in it and had the working headlights and tail lights. Well, I bought me one. Right here. Had to have it. I got 3 or 4 of these Galaxies, and they're all the promo style, no engine and stuff. This has the engine. You can see it has the working headlights. Seamus, you're going to love that. It's got the working headlights and tail lights. So, you know which way that'll be. And it's never been built. I think the bottom chassis been painted black, but other than that, everything's still in white plastic, never been touched. The lights, all the stuff still in the bags. Very, very nice kit. Yeah, I seen George, and we was talking about his and everything, and I just had to have one of those, so I got me one. Speaking of George, I think the next time we do our video, we was talking, and he's got a vintage, never opened, still sealed, as y'all seen in one of the last videos. The original, I think it was 60 or 61 Ford Falcon Ranchero kits from that year. Still sealed on the bottom. It's got 2 pieces of tape with the logo of what the car is on it. Never ever been opened. I think our next video we're going to open that up and then compare it to like a later issue, and then I think we're going to show off some of his Matchbox. A lot of you guys have been wanting to see his Matchbox collection, so we'll start out with a few of those. So y'all stay tuned for that. It'll be a few weeks before we do another one of those, but y'all stay tuned. And then with that being said, Keith, you're gonna kill me, but I had to get myself this one. I know I'm looking for you one. I am, but I didn't have this one, so this one's staying here. But the next time I find one, it'll be going your way. But dude, I scored this one right here, and I bought it off the same guy I bought that other one off of, that Galaxy right there, and I made a deal with him to get this one, and man, I have to keep this one, buddy. But next time I get one, buddy, we'll be hooking you up. But this one here, I didn't have that one. I don't have that one at all, and that's one that's been on my grail list for a while. And if y'all don't know what that is, that's a Ford Sierra right there. That's the RS 500 Cosworth. That's one awesome car right there, guys. And what I plan on doing is I plan on opening the hood, and I plan on putting a Cosworth engine in it when I build it. And that might be fairly soon when I decide to build that. I've always wanted to build this car. I've got all 3 versions. One's the stock version, the other one's the black and red Texaco version, the same as I showed George that we showed last time on his video. And then this one right here, this is the one I've been trying to get a hold of for a long time, and it finally crossed my path without having to pay hundreds of dollars for it. So I got this at a steal, guys. I get 40 bucks for it, and if any of y'all ever tried to buy this, that's a steal. So alright, with that being said, this is the car I'm working on right here. The 61 Oldsmobile F-85 wagon. And we're going to turn this thing around here and show you what I've gotten done. It ain't a whole lot, but it's kind of pissed me off and made me mad. But, you know, it is what it is, and it's going to get built anyway. I do have another one, so later on down the line I might just do a redo and build another one. But this one's still going to get built, and I'll turn around and explain to you what I did. Alright, guys, this is what I did wrong. Here is my wagon. I've chrome foiled it, and I was putting clear coat on it, and you can see right there, this is the chrome foil. Look how shiny that chrome foil is. Look how dull that chrome foil is. Well, what I did wrong, let me get the can and show you. I don't know why in the hell it did it. I don't know. I don't know if the can was old or what. But I used this extreme lacquer on it. Let's see. Yeah, dries quickly. Extreme lacquer. Okay. It must have been an old can or something. I'll get it in the picture there. But I sprayed that clear coat on it. Got it in the house to let it cure, let it dry. Well, it fogged my chrome foil. The chrome foil looks like it's silver. Looks like silver. Looks like aluminum. It don't look chrome. It's out of focus there. I don't know what happened, because it was a nice day out in the 60s outside. It was a sunny day. I warmed the can up in hot water, shook it really good. It laid down good. I don't know what happened, guys. I don't know what happened, but that looks like silver paint instead of chrome foil. You can see right. Look at that. If y'all have any ideas, because I'm not going to re-chrome this car, because that took so daggum long to do it anyway. I'm not going to redo it. I don't care. You know, a lot of y'all are perfectionists. I'm not. I've got another one of these, so if I have to, I'll build another one later on. But right now, it's fine. I guess it's just like the old school days when you used to take that silver or aluminum paint or whatever and paint on all the scripts and everything. But that's just the way it is right now. But that's my dilemma. That was my problem. And let's see if I got some chrome here to show you. Here's how bright that chrome grill is. Look at that thing. It's going to be bright on that. And that chrome foil doesn't look chrome. It looks aluminum. But it is what it is. It is what it is. So it's going to get built anyway. Since the last time, I have sprayed the engine with a light metallic blue. I don't know if you can see that very good or not. I've got to paint the transmission. And I'll be wiring this engine up. If you can see here is the valve cover. It's kind of in an orange. I just dropped that engine. Hope the carpet monster don't get it. And it will. If you look on a real car, it's in a light. It's not necessarily that color, I don't think, but I'm not going to be all correct about it. I think it's actually a shade lighter than that. That's the lightest I could come up with without ordering paint. And then it will have the orange. It's an orangish red breather on it. The actual car would have had, that's close enough. Like I said, I'm not a perfectionist. I have put the red on the emblem in the wheels, and I have black washed the wheels. You can see right there. I haven't done any painting underneath yet. And then as far as the interior, I haven't flocked it, and I haven't done any detail paint in there yet. But that's as far as I gotten. It's going to be a pretty quick, simple build. I don't know if I'll have time tomorrow to work on it or not, but hopefully over the weekend. I should be off on the weekend. And hopefully I can get some more work done, and I can have it together pretty quick. And hopefully I will. And I think over the weekend, my next video is going to be what I'm going to build for Cliff at GI Scale Mechanics. I'm going to jump in on his motorcycle group build. I love motorcycles. I love building motorcycles. And every time I get a chance, I'm going to jump in on that. Well, with that being said, I want to thank you guys. And peace out. Love you. Bye.